Today's headlines bring significant developments from Pakistan and beyond. The Torkham border has reopened after a month-long closure, paving the way for renewed trade between Pakistan and Afghanistan, which is crucial for both economies. However, the situation remains tense as Pakistan intensifies efforts to deport undocumented Afghan refugees, raising serious humanitarian concerns with a looming deadline of March 31st. In a bid to combat terrorism, President Asif Ali Zardari has pledged enhanced security measures in Balochistan, promising modern weaponry for our forces. On the international front, Italy's Il Foglio has made history by publishing the first newspaper edition entirely written by AI, sparking debates about the future of journalism. Meanwhile, Israel has escalated its ground operations in Gaza, intensifying the ongoing conflict. In a diplomatic push, US President Donald Trump and Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky are discussing potential ceasefire negotiations with Russia amidst ongoing prisoner exchanges. Stay informed as these stories unfold.